Making transfers to another bank or credit union is easy. Just follow these instructions. First, log in to digital banking. Now select the Transfers on the left side menu. Select the light gray box beneath Make a Transfer. Then Add External Account. You will need to confirm your credentials to continue. Enter the information for the external account you would like to add. The account name, routing number, and account type all need to be entered correctly. Finally, select the account type to complete the setup. You will then see steps to verify the external account. Texell will send 2 small deposits that are less than $1 to that account within 1 to 3 business days. After clicking Done, you will see the verification screen. This is where you will enter your deposits when you receive them. After you receive your microdeposits, you can complete verification. Go to Transfers, Add External Account. Select the name of the financial institution you are connecting with and enter the microdeposit amounts. Select Confirm. You are now set up to make external transfers. If you have any further questions about external transfers, please contact Texell.